Following the Prime Minister's directions, top BJP ministers and leaders on Friday fanned out to the states and attacked the Congress for the washout of the monsoon session in Parliament. Holding press conferences in different parts of the country, the BJP accused the Congress of hindering the development of the country. Addressing a press conference at the national headquarters of BJP in Delhi, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said the real reason for Congress stalling the Parliament was to relaunch Rahul Gandhi.
कांग्रेस का पूरा इतिहास देश के लोकतंत्र को तोड़ने का इतिहास रहा है, तो या तो हम राज करेंगे या दूसरे को राज नहीं करने देंगे.
Speaking in Bengaluru, Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu held the Congress responsible for the washout of the monsoon session.
Congress has done a great disservice to the country and doing a great disservice to itself by disrupting Parliament.
Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, who was in Dehradun, accused the Congress-led UPA government of avoiding stern action against Lalit Modi.
ये कांग्रेस के कारनामे पूरे देश में सभी लोगों के पास लेके जाने का भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक निर्णय लिया है.
Speaking in Jaipur, Information and Broadcasting Minister Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore said the Congress was misleading the nation on the issue of Lalit Modi. He said a red corner notice would be issued soon against Lalit Modi that would enable India to seek extradition of the former IPL commissioner from UK in connection with the money laundering case registered against him.
तो ललित मोदी किसका नजदीकी हुआ, उसको भारत लाने की पूरी प्रक्रिया कौन कर रहा है, ये बिल्कुल स्पष्ट है इस बात से कि आज की सरकार है जो अब उनके खिलाफ रेड कॉर्नर नोटिस जारी होने वाला है.
In Lucknow, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said, as the party, the Congress does not have democratic traditions and has always been a family-ruled party.
पहली दफा मोदी जी की ऐसी जबरदस्त सरकार बनी और जिस तरह से काम कर रही है, कांग्रेस को एहसास हो गया कि अब हमारे लिए 14-15 साल का वनवास तो फिक्स हो गया.
Speaking in Chennai, Nirmala Sitharaman hit out at the Congress for disrupting the parliament. Attacking the Congress for holding democracy to ransom, Piyush Goyal, who was in Ahmedabad, said it was because of the Congress that the important bills like the GST could not be debated in the House. Reacting to the charges, the Congress said the BJP is trying to mislead the nation by creating an impression that it was against the GST bill, which is not true.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और अपोजिशन जीएसटी के खिलाफ नहीं है. जीएसटी का ऑथर आर्किटेक्ट कांग्रेस पार्टी है.
After the virtual washout of the monsoon session, the political battle has now spilled out onto the streets. Newsnight Desk, DD News.